and my dear teachers and my dear students, as you know, today is Republic Day. It is not only day, it is not only the celebration of Republic. We have to think very deeply and we have to also take the oath in front of this national flag. What I have to do, what I have to also act in the country. Nowadays, as you know, there is a lack of moral education among all of the students. And due to the lack of the moral education, the students are not performing better. So, it is the duty of all the teachers to also give a moral education among all of the students, so that our students can be a good citizen of the country and also they can perform the future of the country. The future of the country already depends upon all of the students who are studying nowadays in the schools and colleges. But it is very bad luck for all of us that in the previous time, all of the students have to study the moral education only in front of the teacher, in front of the guru, and there is a great relationship between the disciple and the also guru. But nowadays, this relation is also disappearing day by day. The students cannot respect the teacher, and teacher also cannot love and give the affection among all of the students. And it is the lack of education. It is very bad thing that nowadays the students have become only the work of the book, but they are not performing the moral education among all of the society, among all of the country, among the states. So, it is the duty of all of us. I am also a teacher, so I request all of the teachers to also give a moral education with all of the chapters, all of the notebooks among all of the students, so that they can also be a good citizen for the country and they can also perform and they can also support the member of the family. All of the idea also want to create such a type of in the future, so that they can be happy with the other members of the family, with the teachers, and also with the constitution of the country, and with the rules and regulations of the country. But it is not going to also well among all of the students. So, not only I, but I like to also request all of the teachers to also give a proper education among all of the students, consistent with moral education. So that the student can be also a good citizen for the country and they will be also the face of the future. It is my own thought, it is my own point of view. So I want to also request all of the teachers, and I also going to say among all of the students that you have to study all of the chapters, all of the lessons of the book, except you have to also behave very well among all of the teachers with your members of the family and with the rules and regulations of the country, so that the future will be bright.